Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. In the last session, we started learning about design rules and checks. This is the second part, so in this session we will proceed from where we left. Let's open the file saved in last lecture, which was lecture number 57. And from here, in this session, we'll proceed further. We will see all these warnings one by one. First of all, let's regenerate to make their size smaller. We need to access the grid view in order to see it. So let's go to Geometry Editor and then we will go for the grid view. Here you can see all the warnings. This is for the curve. Here you can see the radius is 30 meters, but the minimum radius should be 41 meters. So if we make it 41 meters, you can see now it's gone. There are no more warnings here. If you see closely, all the curves have this warning. Then for the line, it is showing that design checks violated our subdivision street. If you remember, we put the value 25. However, these values are 6.992. So if we would have kept it the same as before, which was 5, then there would be no warnings. This is the reason we have put a value of 25 on purpose. Here you can see from starting, it's 40 kilometers per hour, which we said previously. What we can do, we can change it. For instance, after 100, it goes to 60 kilometers per hour. Here you can see it was kept as 25. It was done in the last session. So if we do 5, which was by default previously, hit apply and then OK. All of these would be gone. Now you can see it. All the lines warning are gone. Now the other is for the curves. And if we make all of them 41, they would be gone too, as the minimum radius is 41 and we have kept it at 30 now. In Design Criteria Editor, here you can see all these tables. For instance, for 40, it's 41 radius. So we are following this table. We can create a new table as well. For instance, we want at the speed of 10, the radius should be 10. And at the speed of, say, 20, the radius should be 15. So in this way, we can create our own standard. However, we are not going to create a new standard on our own, but if we could have, we can save it here and then use it for the further line of actions. Let's remove it. Now we can close this design criteria editor. So these were the few errors which can be removed one by one or altogether by simply unchecking the design criteria rules. We can go to alignment properties. Here, if we uncheck, hit apply, you can see all the errors are now gone. But if we use the criteria based design, they would definitely show the errors because we have set a criteria to follow. So if you're following the design rules and checks, you have to keep this box as checked. Now we can save the file as lecture number 58 and then close the software. This was all about the design rules and checks. Let's call it a day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.